warning, I might have a huge sneeze attack during this intro because I just sneezed like 4 times in a row. Love allergies. Hey guys, it's Nikki and today I'm back with another video, and today I am doing a New Year's look. I want to bring in the new year with a new super cute makeup look. If you didn't see my what I got for Christmas video, then you might not know, but I just got the Tartelette Toasted palette for Christmas. I'm obsessed with this palette and I wanted to make a new look with it. I grabbed it today and I was like, yo, I'm gonna make a look with this. So I used that one and the Tartelette in Bloom. Since I have both of them, I decided to just combine a couple colors, but if you do not have these palettes, you can use other ones to make these looks. I'm sure there's some dupes out there. If you do have these palettes, then you can recreate this exact look. I honestly love Tarte so much. They're my favorite makeup brand. I have been loving their makeup since I started doing my own makeup. They're just such a great company. I'm obsessed with them, and I thought that to bring in the new year, this would be a perfect company to be making this look for, because I love Tarte. So you guys will probably have seen, if you follow my Instagram, you probably would have seen this look already posted on my Instagram because I post quite a bit. I like to post makeup looks and tell you guys what products I used. So you might already have seen this look, but if you want to know how to create it, then just keep watching. Also, I want to let you guys know that this is a collab with 2 of my friends on Instagram and YouTube here, and we've been friends for a long time. We collabed, I think, either last year or the year before that. We've been longtime friends. We still talk all the time. I'm collabing with It's Brie XO and It's Sylvie, and I love both of them so much. They're amazing people and they're the nicest people. I love them to death. They're such great friends. I really hope you guys like their channels. Please check out their videos after you watch this. And also, if you've never seen my face before, hi, my name's Nikki and it's nice to meet you. I hope you guys like my channel. I hope you guys like my videos. If you do, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And let's just get on into the video. So first I'm going to start off with primers, and the first one I'm going to use is the Smashbox Photo Finish, and then I'm going to go in with MAC Strobe Cream, and I really like the way that these two work together, so I just decided to use these two, but you can honestly use whatever primer you want. Next, I'm going in to conceal my eyes and around my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation, which is what I'll use for my full face, but I just want to let you guys know that you guys don't have to do this. I just prefer a full coverage look, and this just helps me achieve that, and it helps cover up any veins or anything that I don't want showing. So I actually really like doing this step, but you can definitely skip it if this isn't for you. This foundation is so good. That was literally 1 drop and that covered all of that. It's amazing. I love how full coverage this foundation is and how just a little bit of product goes a long way. Now I'm going to start on the eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my Tartelette Toasted palette, and I'm going to use the shades in my crease: S'more, Cashmere, Warmth, and Latte. And I'm also going to be using these EcoTool brushes. These brushes are so good. They're so soft and they work amazing, and they're super cheap too. Now I'm using the shade Jet Setter, which is in the Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm just using this to darken up the outer corner of the crease. I'm just blending this into a circle and an outer V motion, and this is what I think just works best to get that look. For eyeliner, I'm going in with my Lorac Front of the Line Pro favorite liner ever. I'm obsessed with this eyeliner. It works so good, so I highly recommend you guys check it out. But I'm just going to make a subtle wing. Now I'm going back in with the Toasted palette, and I'm going to be using Candle on the lid. Now I'm just putting on my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm using a wet beauty blender to blend this in. I just think it gives a flawless look, and this foundation is so amazing. It lasts so long. I swear you could wear this all day and it's not gonna budge. It's amazing. I'm obsessed with it. Now I'm just going to add all of the shades that I put in my crease on my lower lash line, and I'm just going to blend them out one by one. I'm just going to put some chapstick on so my lips don't chap. For brows, I'm going to first go in with my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. I'm obsessed with this brow pencil. It works so good. I love the way it makes my brows look. To finish my brows, I'm going to be using the Gimme Brow, and I just use this to set my brows, and I just think this look makes my brows look amazing and also tames those crazy brows. For contour, I'm going to use my NYX Wonder Stick in light to medium. I'm obsessed with this contour stick. If you're needing a good contour stick, you should definitely check this one out because it's super inexpensive and it's great quality. So I'm going to contour in the places that are best for my face shape personally, and that's under my cheekbones, my forehead, under my chin, my nose, and under my lip. And I'm using a kabuki brush to blend that out, and if you don't have a kabuki brush in your collection, you definitely need to get one. They are the best things ever for blending makeup. For blush, I'm going in with this Feisty blush from Tarte, and I'm going to be using a Luxie blush brush. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Exposed Highlight by Tarte, and I'm using a Luxie Precision Foundation brush. I'm gonna bronze my face up with my favorite Park Avenue Princess bronzer from Tarte. I'm obsessed with this bronzer. You guys have heard me talk about it about a million times if you've been on my channel before. but I still can't get over how much I love this bronzer, so of course I had to use it in this video. For lashes, I'm using my Lavish Lengths Mink lashes, and I'm obsessed with these lashes. They have lashes that are under $10 right now, and you guys should definitely check out their website. They currently don't have an Instagram because they're remodeling it for 2018, but I will let you guys know as soon as they get one. I'm also using my Tarte Maneater mascara, and I love this mascara. It's like the perfect mascara for wispy lashes. And guys, these lashes are so easy to apply. I'm obsessed with them and they're so gorgeous. I just wanted to touch up the outer crease and add a little bit more dimension. For the lips, I'm going in with my Tartiste Glossy Lip Paint. I love these. I have them in 3 different shades. So I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I really hope you guys liked this makeup look. I'm obsessed with it. I think it looks great. It's perfect for every day. You don't have to do full glam. I just do because it's what I like the most and I feel comfortable with doing it, but I know that not everyone is going to feel comfortable with doing a full face glam every day or anything like that. It's just that this would be perfect for any events or a party or family event, like anything that you want to look a little bit extra for. But for me, this is a perfect everyday look. Just the brown neutrals. I'm obsessed with this look. I really hope you guys try this look out. If you do, please send me pictures telling me that you watched this and you tried this look out, because I would love to see it. And I love you guys all so much. Please check out all my socials down below if you have not. Also, Happy New Year. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!